Bullish Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.029035 and $0.054843 by 2030. Market examiners accept Jasmy could reach $0.022583 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.005162. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, presentation Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the digital money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. In any case, with this constant advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information insurance convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and expects to go about as a mediator for the protected trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces, PDL. This guarantees that information isn't effectively gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and consumed conjectures. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost conjecture for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin, Jasmy? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based ERC coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, consequently developing the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in an information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, Interplanetary Record Framework, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework, however the organization used to fabricate it is Global Space Document Frameworks, IPFS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3's stockpiling network. Jasmy coin is right now worth $0.006452 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 4.11% as of now with an exchanging volume of $41,546,726. Jasmy coin is right now positioned 149 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $318,092,152 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union dissimilarity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023 Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money. The Jasmy cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.009678. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.009033 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.007743. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Jasmy coin Jasmy cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.01613. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Jasmy's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.012904 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.014195. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.022583 and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.020647 and a low of $0.019357 in 2025. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy Coin effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the Jasmy Coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.029035 with a base cost of $0.025809 and a typical cost of $0.027099. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination. Besides, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $0.035487. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.040003. On the off chance that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.041939. Neglecting to accumulate the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.038713. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Expectation 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy Coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.051617 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.054843, averaging out at $0.052908. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest